Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today guys, I'm sorry that I didn't upload for 1 week or anything like that. But what I'm going to show you is, I'm only here alone. But I'm going to show you my fun life. I'm going to cook something that it's really yummy and delicious. So, I hope I can get 50 thumbs up, so much appreciated. And of course, 10 subscribers every week. So, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm here. So what I'm going to cook is Pancit Canton. So you know what guys, this is too delicious, like that. First you'll need this one, of course a pan, and put a water. So I'm going to put a water so I can start boiling and make the Pancit Canton. Yay! Alright, so I got water out here. I'm putting it on here in the sponge, like there. Then starting it a boil. Just put it like that. Sometimes start a boil and turn. Alright. First I'm going to turn the boil. I'm sorry, I'm just doing that. Alright, so guys, you need a fork so you can stir it. Alright, you need first to get some bowl, this, and then open this thing. I'm gonna open it. Need some scissors. Alright. Cut. So in this one we have some ingredients so you can make it flavor. You can make flavor at this Pancit Canton. Of course this powder too. Alright. So first you're gonna mix it on a bowl. After that, you just open it like that. I suggested you that you can buy this at any mall, but I think in the other place you can't because just like an island. Of course you can't because no store in there. But in any place you had like that. Alright. So what you're going to do is you have now the mixable things. You'll need a fork and stir it out. Stir. Alright. After you stir it, when the water just boiled, you will put now this pancit. I'm gonna crack it out. Alright. So I did just put it, so I'm going to put now this on the trash can because we never need it anymore. This one. I'm sorry guys, there's a noise there because my tita is taking care of my sister. Well, I'm just making some videos. I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So today, I just helped my tita out. So, what you're going to do is stirring you will stir the Pancit Canton, so it will be awesome. And it will be cooked so much. So what you are going to do is boil it up to 3 minutes. So I will be right back if 3 minutes is done. Alright guys, so the canton is now boiling. We should put it on we should get the water out. Look at this. It's boiling now. So I'm ready to it! But you know guys, I should do this because I'm so bored today. I'm just taking care of my sister now, but I'm really hopeful. She just slept because that is just the time what I will rest. Oh my! Now our canton is ready and get the water out. I'm so happy. Alright. So here's our canton. So many smoke. Alright guys, I'm going to let the water out. Alright, here's the canton. So I'm going to let the water out using this fork. Of course, I'm going to just slowly letting the water out. Without the canton is falling out. So now no more water. Putting it on the bowl. So it's gonna look at the sunny brown. Sticking Pancit Canton, cooking Pancit Canton. Yeah. And then put it on the bowl. And just mixing something in there. So what? Mixing. Mix. Alright, I mixed the recipe all out and ready to it. And let the water out, jump out. Alright guys, here's my Pancit Canton. So it's time to taste. It's so yummy. It's so hot. I wanna eat it. It's calamansi and spicy. This is so yummy. I wanna taste it. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me some thumbs up. I so much appreciate it. And of course, put some comments down below in the description and pick your Pancit Canton out. Goodbye.